have a background in environmental science and marine biology and thought that the GIS and UAS programs would be a really good way to break into the job field.
I really want to eventually get into drone imaging, data analysis with LiDAR technology, and this course is perfect for that.
I have a background in UAS. I used to fly for the Call When Needed contract for the Department of Interior for a company based out of McMinnville. And I wanted to broaden my skills as a UAS pilot, and I have a passion for mapping, and yeah, this is the perfect program to get into.
But over the pandemic, I decided to pursue GIS just because I used to do field work, and I wanted to do something that was less physically intensive. And I heard PCC had a really good GIS program, so I decided to do something over the course of the pandemic.
I really love how technical they all are, and it's not just learning about theory, but it's the actual practice of getting to do it, and I feel confident that I would be able to complete tasks in a work environment because of all of the real-world experience I've gained through the program.
I feel like it's a very supportive environment. I feel like I've struggled in classes before, but there's always been kind of like support from the tutors and the instructors. It's a really welcoming environment. Yeah, and I feel like I've learned a lot.
It's great hands-on experience. I'm definitely a visual learner, and with all the coursework, it gives you a really practical application to set you up for real-world GIS work.
You get to fly. Yeah, mission planning is definitely probably my favorite aspect. I'm really glad that finally getting into the drone classes, this has been what I've waited to do for the whole year of the program. So yeah, I think that's my favorite part, mission planning and flying.
Yeah, you can just really focus on what you want to, and it'll provide you with a really good portfolio that will help you go into the field you want to.
We have really powerful computers. We, of course, have a pretty impressive fleet of drones and different like GPS receivers and stuff like that. So I feel like it's always really accessible if you want to learn something new.
I like the instructors. I like the projects that we've done. Everything's really hands-on and really gets you an idea of what you're going to be getting into. And I think Emma said it before. The programs really allow you to get comfortable with what you're doing as well, and give you confidence in what you're doing.
I've been trying to sell it to everyone I know. With the years in the technology advancing, it's just only going to get cheaper. But if you get in right now, I mean, sky's the limit, literally.